How to send money from Western Union to PayPal. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Western Union and then simply click on send money. Now here you're gonna have to simply choose your country and then simply select the amount. Then here we're gonna have to pick bank account. Now the next step is to simply choose how you like to pay. So here you can choose either credit card or bank account or simply pay with cash in store and then click on continue. Now when you click on continue, you're gonna have to enter your bank account details that you selected earlier. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply go to PayPal and then go to wallet, and then here you're gonna have to simply click on link a bank, and then you're gonna have to simply link the same bank account that you entered here on Western Union, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.